Hi guys! Hello! How are you? Okay, now let's talk about 1979 D. Lincoln Penny. Okay, first, let's read what is written on the coin. In God we trust, liberty, 1979 D. At the reverse of the coin, okay, United States of America. E pluribus unum. 1 cent. FG, the designer's initial in the Lincoln Memorial. Okay? Let's let's see if this coin has an error. Finding error, finding error, finding error, finding error, no error. The let's look the reverse side of the coins. Okay? Finding error, double die, double die, or God error. Finding error, die chip error. Okay, this coin has no error. Ear, nose, okay. Okay, now let's find out the value or the price of a 1979 D Lincoln penny. Okay, here we go. The typical circulated 1979 D penny has a value of 2 cents to 3 cents. About uncirculated specimens trade for 10 cents to 30 cents. But the most valuable 1979 D penny sold for $3,995 in 2016. Okay, that's all. Okay, I hope I was able to provide some information for coin collecting. Have a great day. Bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe.